Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. A self-help group wants to manufacture Joker's caps of 3 centimeters radius and 4 centimeters height. If the available paper sheet is 1000 square centimeters, then how many caps can be manufactured from the paper sheet? From the given paper sheet. Okay, here what is given: a self-help group wants to manufacture joker's caps. Obviously we know joker's caps will be in the form of a right circular cone. Okay, so for each of the cap they have given some measurements. What are the measurements? Here the radius of that particular cone is 3 centimeters and the height of the cone is 4 centimeters. Okay, here slant height is not given. We need to mention that point here. Okay, so and one more point is given. What is that? The available paper sheet is only 1000 square centimeters. So out of that paper sheet they have to prepare some caps, some number of caps. How many number of caps they are going to prepare, we are going to find it out now. Number of caps to be prepared from a paper sheet of 1000 square centimeters. Each of them should have 3 centimeters radius and 4 centimeters height. Clear? It is given in the problem. It is very easy, no? Shall we start? And as we know that the joker's cap will be in the form of a right circular cone. So what is meant by right circular cone? You know, the axis of the cone. Okay, it is the line meeting the vertex to the midpoint of the circular base. Okay, obviously the height, radius along with the slant height. Okay, it forms a right angled triangle. This point should be noted, it should be remembered. Okay, so as height is given, radius is given, we can easily find out the slant height of the cone. We need to find out the slant height of the cone in order to find the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, so here what is given, here we must identify this property of the right circular cone. It is a part of just recapitulation. Okay, so here in the given problem, height of the cone is given, radius of the cone is given. Okay, so we are taking those values here. Radius of the cap or joker's cap or the conical shape, whatever we call, it is given as 3 centimeters. Okay, and height of the cap h is 4 centimeters. It is taken from the problem itself. Okay, so as we identified the property of the right circular cone, here it forms a right angle triangle, right? Yes or no? So the slant height is not given, small l is not given here, right? So we are going to find the slant height l. Okay, just we can find the slant height by just applying the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what does it states? Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, a hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Yes or no? Here we can observe this clearly. This is right angle and L is the hypotenuse, H is one side, R is one side. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. Here just we are applying the values given, right? So slant height of the conical shape L is equal to, as we want L, we are just applying the formula as square root of r square plus h square, or L square is equal to r square plus h square. We just have simplified and we are taking the required value. That's why we have applied a square root here. Okay, right? So slant height, we are substituting the values here. R is 3 centimeters, H is 4 centimeters, it is given. So slant height is equal to square root of 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. If we add both of them, it becomes 25. Square root of 25 means 5 centimeters. Okay, that means it is nothing but the slant height of the cone. The slant height of the cone, we have found the slant height of the cone L as 5 centimeters. Right? Now, we want to find out, in order to get the paper sheet required for each and every cap, we need to find out the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, so the formula for the curved surface area of the cone is nothing but pi r l. R we know, right? And L we have found it out. Yes, so we are just applying, we are just substituting the values here. Radius is 3 centimeters and slant height. What is this? This is slant height, right? And slant height is 5 centimeters. We have find it out. Okay, so we are substituting the values here. 22 by 7 pi value, slant height is 5 and radius is 3. So simplifying it, we will get 47.14 square centimeters. Okay, it is the curved surface area of the cone. Each cone means here each joker cap. That means each joker cap requires 47.14 square centimeters, the paper sheet. That much paper sheet is required to prepare one joker cap. Okay, right? So, but we need to find out number of joker caps because total area of the paper sheet is given. Available paper sheet is 1000 square centimeter. It is given already. Okay, the manufacturing company has that much paper sheet. Okay, each and every joker cap should have 47.14 square centimeters. Obviously, to find out the number of caps, what can we do? Available area of the paper sheet by the area of each joker caps. When we divide it, we'll get the number of caps that can be manufactured. Okay, we are doing the simple division. Okay, we have total paper, total curved surface area, total paper available is there 1000 square centimeters. Each and every cap requires 47.14 square centimeters area. Okay, that much paper sheet is required. So we are dividing total paper, available paper area by with the single joker caps area, paper area. Okay, so I'm dividing 1000 by 47.14. Okay, so it is approximately equal to 21.27. But when we round it off, we will take always integer values, right? So a number of caps is equal to 21 caps and not. Okay, did you get the point or not? Yes, I think you have understood. Okay, right. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.